In this video, I will show you how to add NASDAQ to Exness. So it's very easy. Firstly, you need to click on this plus button on top. And from here, if you search for it by this name like NAS or NASDAQ and nothing appeared, don't worry, you just have to search it by its ticker symbol. So it's USTEC. So this is what Exness uses for NASDAQ 100 index. So after searching for US Tech, you will see two options. So you will see this basic US Tech or US Tech 100. So this first USEC is the standard NASDAQ 100 contract. And this is the same index, this 100X, but it has a larger contract size. So it carries significantly higher risk due to larger contract size. So if you are a beginner, just choose this basic option. And now you can start trading NASDAQ 100. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.